Do you want to stand out as a man of value in 2024? Have you ever wondered what sets a high-value man apart from the rest? Today, it is easy to get lost in the noise of hustle and bustle around you and forget how to become the man who stands out in the crowd. It is crucial to rise above these challenges, to transform into a high-value man who commands respect and leads a life of purpose. By the end of this video, you will understand what it takes to become a high-value man. Number 12, be careful about who you listen to. The top rule for becoming a high-value man is simple. Don't just listen to anyone and everyone. Sounds harsh, right? But hear me out. A high-value man is super picky about who he takes advice from. If he gets a health scare, he won't ask his buddies for a diagnosis. He will head straight to a doctor. If he wants to look to get ripped or just stay fit, he won't scroll through random YouTube videos. He will consult a certified trainer. The point is, he is not wasting his time with just any advice that comes his way. Now, this matters a big time because if you are trying to build a business and you start listening to every guru out there, one says drop everything and start a podcast. Another swears by Instagram marketing. If you try to follow all that unsolicited advice, you will end up running in circles, getting nowhere. Instead, a high-value man zeroes in on experts who have walked the walk. He knows that quality advice from the right people can be the difference between a wild goose chase and a straight path to success. Number 11, self-discipline. Yeah, you have heard it all before. Discipline is key. But let's be brutally honest. Knowing about discipline and actually living it are worlds apart. You can have all the best habits lined up, but if you are not sticking to them consistently, you will toss them in the trash. It is that black and white. One cold, hard truth is that most of you dudes don't see results because you give up too soon. You try something for a week, don't see instant results, and boom, you are back to square one, feeling worse than before. That is where the real test of self-discipline kicks in. It starts with facing the truth head-on. If you are skipping workouts and munching on junk, don't stand in front of the mirror and convince yourself you are doing okay. That is just lying to yourself, and it is a one-way ticket to staying stuck. Self-discipline means owning up to where you are at, setting clear goals, and then, day after day, doing the work to get there. It is not glamorous or exciting, but it is the foundation of everything. Without it, all the advice in the world won't make you a high-value man. With it, you become unstoppable. Number 10, understand and accept that life is hard. Let's not sugarcoat it. Life is tough, period. A high-value man gets this. He knows life's not a smooth ride. It is filled with bumps and storms. It is about facing the hard truths head-on. Think about it. Struggling with money, drowning in debt, that's rough. But so is the discipline needed to manage your finances and build wealth. It is all hard. And relationships, they're no walk in the park either. Whether you are single, dating, or married, each stage comes with its own set of challenges. And let's not even start on health. Being out of shape feels bad, but so does the grind of keeping fit. Here's the deal. Life's going to throw punches. You have got to decide what kind of hard you are willing to deal with. It is about choosing your battles and facing them head on, not about finding an easy way out, because there isn't one. Number 9, practice being resilient. Now, resilience, it is about getting knocked down and standing back up again and again. Think of it like being a bit of a Zen master. Everything changes, nothing stays the same, and that is okay. Life has sunny days that turn into storms and plans fall apart. That is when resilience shines. To build this resilience, you gotta start small. When things don't go your way, take a deep breath and look for the lesson. Failed at something? Good. Figure out why, learn, and dive back in. Surround yourself with people who have been through the ringer and come out stronger. Number 8, build real connections. Listen up, focusing on who you hang with and how you work is key. Networking isn't about being slick and collecting contacts like baseball cards. You need to make genuine connections. You can't just aim to rub elbows with the top dogs and expect a free ride. It is a two-way street. Start from where you are, value those around you, and build real bonds. That is the real deal. Number 7, talk right, talk smart. Talking well is a big deal. Ditch the idea that the best guys go it alone. That is just not how it works. You are part of a team, a crew, a family, and how you talk, whether you are giving a speech, writing an email, or shooting off a text, matters. You don't always have to be the loudest or always have the last word. You gotta ensure when you do speak up, you are clear, you are honest, and you are actually saying something worth listening to. Good talkers make connections. They get people. And that is what high-value men do. Number 6, keep grinding. Sticking to your guns is what gets you places. High value doesn't mean flash and dazzle all the time. It means being someone people can count on, day in, day out. Got a goal? Chase it. But know this, there are no shortcuts. Whether you are starting fresh, climbing back up, or just keeping on, the secret is to never stop moving. When things get tough, and they will, when it feels like you are not getting anywhere, that is when you dig in deeper. Consistency is about doing the work, even when it is the last thing you want to do. Remember, the big wins are usually just a bunch of small victories stacked up. Keep at it. Number 5, command respect. Now, about making a solid impression, your command presence. It is all about how you carry yourself, how you dress, and how you speak. People are quick to judge based on what they see and hear. If you want to be taken seriously, you have got to look and act the part. It is not about putting on a show, but aligning how you present yourself with the high-value man you are becoming. Dress the part, act with confidence, and let your presence speak for itself. Number 4, gather your arsenal. Think about resources beyond the greenbacks. Sure, money is great, but what about the wealth in your head? Knowledge, skills, life lessons, these are priceless. Let's say you are in a tight spot, and because you have been there, done that, or you have learned from the best, you know exactly how to wiggle out. That is the power of experience. It is like having a Swiss Army knife in your brain. Always be on the lookout to learn something new, whether it is from a book, a mentor, or even a tough situation. Your mind is an arsenal. Keep it loaded. Number 3, be money smart. Now, onto handling your cash like a boss. Living hand to mouth, that is no way to live. Getting smart with your money means you can breathe easy instead of sweating every bill that comes in. Learn the ropes of budgeting, saving, and investing. There is a ton of free advice out there to get you on track. Get your finances straight, and you are halfway to nailing 2024. Number 2, master your mornings. This is about more than just waking up early. It is about taking command of your day from the start. Those first 2 hours of the day are your launch pad. Use them to set the tone for the entire day. Exercise not only wakes up your body, but sharpens your mind. Planning your day gives you direction. Meditation or reflection helps you center yourself and make sure that you are not just reactive to whatever the day throws at you. It is about creating a morning ritual that empowers you, fuels your ambitions, and aligns with your goals. Master this, and you will see the ripple effects in every area of your life. Number 1, beat down the negativity. Last but definitely not least, let's squash the negativity. Seems like bad news is everywhere, right? Flip the script. Be the guy who brings the good vibes. Positivity isn't just feel-good fluff. It is armor against the world's gloom. And it is contagious, in the best way. Light up the room with your outlook and watch it pay off in your pursuits. Being the brighter one is nice and, honestly, strategic. Conclusion. Remember, being a high-value man is not only about adopting these habits. You need to integrate them into your life and make them part of who you are. Also, don't forget that this isn't a solo mission. Share your journey, support others on theirs, and build a community of high-value men around you. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.